Locksmith CT is your local locksmith and security provider, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have years of experience in the field, and we are ready to meet all your locksmith and security needs. We are mobilized, and therefore we can serve you fast and at low rates. We offer residential, commercial, and automotive locksmith services. Our service includes professional locks and security hardware installation, locks rekeyed, master key systems, automotive locks serviced and replaced, emergency lockout service, and much more. Call now 203-437-4095. Tell us you saw this video and get 12% off your next service call.